RIP to all the real niggas worldwide. Salute.
So like the update about the YC
Real shit.
144
I ride for my niggas
90 98 I think, yeah. So like the rims and tire is getting a repair because the rim is like bent a little bit. Like we use this as an example. So it's like there's a little bend over here that's like going that way, but my dad has a friend that they can make that for me like for free or something. Yeah, so it's for free for me, but like it's a little annoying. There are bent where the rim is bent, but my dad is like going to the mechanic so it can be a little more straight, and it's going to be straight. Yeah. So like, yeah, and new tire is coming on the bike, and I got some parts at home that are coming soon on this bike here, and the other parts of over here is actually there's a bad light, so I can't show it right now. But as you can see, I got the plastic off. The plastic over there, it's broken. That's why I bought some new ones to make the bike look a little bit newer, a little more new. It's clapped. Let's say that it's clapped right now, and yeah. So and as you can see, I need a new front tire also, but it can ride a little bit more, not on the track, but like on the country roads, and not on the country roads, but like, you know, out there with in the field. So yeah, and it's also getting painted. My sister's gonna paint it for me because she's a painter, so I'm getting that for free also. I think so. But yeah, I hope you guys follow this update because it's going to be amazing. So I took some more, put on here because the screws like kind of whack. Where the fuck are they? I don't want to show right now, but it's on the plastic and it's not that pretty good shape. Gotta get some new ones. So yeah, but as you can see, there was a little rust there and there. Doesn't look that good here, down here, all the way. Everything's gonna get new. So yeah, but this is going to be amazing, guys.
Ghost dog, the White Howard on the post dog. My niggas got the powder through the post dog. Watch the body tilt when you hit the head. Niggas lost meals trying to beat the feds. 10 grams off my last 250 now. Big ass crib, 250 down. Damn, gave my nigga max 7.5. Then they gave my nigga penthouse another 30. Fuck. My niggas down, I ride for my niggas. I slide for my niggas down, I ride for